Hello everybody, this is Kevin Beetlebear Collins and I'm coming to you from my home office and I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of the engine that I'm working on. This is going to go on my blog, just a quick little video about my game engine. It's going to be used for Monster Treasure, a game you're going to hear me talking about a lot in the future, but this is all you get for right now. This is the current engine. So far I have a good terrain generation, the dirt is brown, the light green is trees, so you see when I go underneath the light green, my player gets shadowed because he's underneath it. And the player is just the bottom of him is black and the top is pink, for a head. But that's going to be customizable in the future. You can also go in the water, and only your bottom half goes into the water. But you can hide under a tree or something like that. That's all that's really going on with this game. So that actually controls the initialization of the game and the player object, and just now starting to work on what the player can do as he interacts with his terrain around the player, maybe 10,000 blocks by 10,000 blocks. The whole world itself is extremely huge. I currently have my array for the world data set to 1,000,000. It's not really a lot. You could probably go to the top of the map in 30 minutes just by holding down the up button. That's a pretty big map for now, and that takes only a couple seconds to generate and load up. Some of the other cool stuff I can do is I've just finished the resizing code for this, which lets me come in here and say, just change this one variable right here, screen size, to anything above 200. Which gives you a little tiny itsy bitsy game. I'm going to cancel out of this and go ahead and go for the 1600, because that's how far I can vertically stretch with this Mac. And here we go. I have a giant game. I don't have to lean into my screen and grease the screen up with my nose. I can just see from very far away. And the resizing code, it's basically as long as you can divide whatever the number is by 100, and everything will be calculated perfectly. I have other stuff to work on, like some of the terrain generation stuff. It looks really marshy and stuff like that. So I'm going to work on that also. You're going to have an inventory, you're going to have a hot bar, and there's going to be all kinds of crazy stuff, and I'll show you guys that in the very, very near future. But for now, that's all I have to show you guys. Yeah, and stay tuned and subscribe to my blog and follow me on Twitter and like me on Facebook and all that social media stuff, and I'll let you guys know as soon as the game is ready for testing. Thanks for watching.